5 people were reportedly shot and injured in the 85-lane community of Waltham Park Road in St. Andrew sometime after 5 p.m. on Sunday. It is reported that loud explosions were heard in the area and the residents called the police. Upon the lawmen's arrival, 5 people were seen suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds. They were rushed to the hospital. The gunmen reportedly escaped the scene. The condition of the injured people are not known at this time. Several vehicles were reportedly damaged during the shooting.
You have to do it quick if everybody